for joining my English class today. I would like to introduce myself first. My name is Miss Vera. I will be your English teacher for these years. I hope you're enjoying my class. Thank you. Next, my friends will introduce yourself.
Hello, thank you for time given to me. My full name is Imelda Beatrix Bedo. You can call me Imelda. I am from Ende. I live in Malamuza. I am one of Citra Bakti Ngada students. That's all from me. Thank you. Hello.
How are you?
I am fine, and you?
I'm fine, thank you. Let me introduce myself. My name is Maria Infansia Odo. You can call me Vera. I'm 26 years old. I live in Libama Loco, precisely in the Bajalawa city. Do you know Bajalawa city?
No.
Okay. Bajalawa city is famous for its many tourist attractions and very cool air. So, if you go to Flores, don't forget go to Bajalawa city. That's all from me. Nice to meet you.